On this episode, we're going to be going over a smart recessed lighting that you can change anywhere, that you can control by your phone, anywhere, anytime, with different colors and different temperatures. So I'd like you to stay tuned. Welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, please consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you could always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews, just like what we're going to be doing on this video. Today's product is by Lumary. This is a smart lighting that you can pretty much control via your smartphone, which is awesome because you can change the dimming on this. It has many different types of colors. You can change the either to cool or warm type color, and it's controlled by voice control and has group control as well, and you can actually sync it with your music. So this one comes out of the box. You have your lighting, your 6-inch lighting, and you have also your J box. It also comes with the template, and it comes with the wire nuts and the springs that attaches with the 6-inch diameter pot light. Okay, and don't forget, it comes also with the instructions. So stay tuned for the end of this video. I want to give away this pair of smart lights. Okay, so stay tuned. So the first thing that you need to do is choose a side that you want to knock out. In this case, I'm going to knock out both sides so I can put connectors. These connectors, you're gonna have to install it. It does not come with the kit, so make sure that you buy this you have to buy separately, and make sure you attach it before you run through the wires through these J boxes. Okay, so right when that's done, tighten those up. I'm not going to be using what's provided, these wire nuts. I really don't like using them. I like using these Wago connectors. These are awesome because they're just pretty much, you lift up the lever and you just feed the wire right through them. They're easy to use and you can reuse this later on, and I'll put it in the description down below where you can get these. So these are my must, my go-to. Connect these on every one of the lines that you see here. So you connect on the hot, the neutral, the ground. And once that's done, you're ready to go. The next thing you're going to do is install these springs. It comes with 4 total in the box for 2 per each pot light. Sometimes you're going to end up using pliers just to get them on, but overall they're very easy to install. Make sure that once you install them, you test out the stability and make sure that they work and they snap right here. Now, key point is make sure that when you're buying pot lights that they have these strong springs. This will determine whether they're going to sag or just pretty much suck up into your ceiling. What I like about this kit, it also comes with this 6-inch template. You don't have to guess about anything. Right when you do that, you're just gonna go straight up and use your hole saw and cut out that hole. So after you get that cut, make sure that you double check your measurement. Should measure up to 6 diameter. Go to your circuit breaker and turn off the main power. I'm going to be going up to my attic and pretty much wire these pot lights, but I already have these lights wired up already. So if you want to know how I did that, I made a separate video on that. Check out the link on the top right corner. Make sure you check that out. Alright, so once I get that all wired up, it's time to feed those wires up through those J boxes. Okay, right where we connected the connectors, tighten those up, connect your Wago wire nuts. Make sure that every one of those wires are nice and grouped up to the same color. All the hot wires go to the hot, all the neutrals go to the neutrals, and all the ground goes to the ground. Make sure you tuck it nice well on that J box, close it up, and as easy as that, just shove it up on their ceiling, right? Tuck it nice and safe, and then connect your 6-inch recessed lighting. Once that's done, pretty much take your springs, pull them forward, and then feed them one at a time, and it should suck up to your ceiling just like that, easy and clean. Now once you get that going and you turn back the power on your breaker, it will start blinking like this. That means it's trying to connect to your smartphone. Go to your smartphone and go to your apps and download the Lumary app. After that, after you download that, it's very fast, very easy, it's very intuitive. After that, you're just gonna go click and sync that lighting onto your phone. Now it's gonna have an option where you're gonna have to update it. I highly recommend you update that app, and then after you get that updated, it's gonna notify you on your phone that it's complete. Now you can actually work and use the functions fully on this app. As you can see here, you can change out the degrees. You can change it into 2K to 6K to any type of K from there, from 2 to 6K, and you can choose from the brightness as well. It's dimmable, which is nice, and you can control it by a touch of sliding your finger left to right. And what's also cool about this is you can choose different types of colors from the color of the rainbow. So choose whatever color that you want, and you can also control the brightness of these colors. Now for me, I really don't need these type of different type of colors. All I need is the different types of degrees, which is 6K or 2K. I like to change my lighting whenever I'm eating. I don't like a full blast 6K on top of my dinner table, so I like to change it to 2K. Now you can see that you can control these independently, just like what you're seeing here. I'm controlling them one at a time, and you can actually rename each light so you don't get confused. If you control it independently, I highly suggest that you name these separately. Like for this one, I'm going to rename it forward right, forward left, and so forth, middle right, middle left, back right, back left. So just so I know that, where these located, and I control these independently. Again, I don't want all lights sometimes to be all lit up. I want to choose which lights to be turned on in different areas. Okay, and also you can choose the option to move them around, whatever works for you, which is pretty cool on this app. You can see that you can control these independently just by the touch of a button, and you can actually control them all at once. And there's a setting in here that you can group all the lights, and you can choose which function that you want, whether you want to control all of them at the same time, 4 of them at a time, 3 at a time. It's totally up to you. So once again, friends, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below, because I'll be choosing a random winner on the comment section, so you can try out this Lumary smart lights. You're going to be getting this box, which comes in a pair. So good luck and stay tuned.